Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram black background. So first method is we need to update our Instagram application. So open Play Store and tap on the search box and type Instagram, and if you see any update is available here, then you have to install the update from here. And after doing this first step, go and check the problem is fixed or not. And if you're still facing the same problem, then let's go to the second method. Second method is to clear our cache data for Instagram app. So for that, open your device settings and scroll down and tap on app management. And from here you have to tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, and also tap on clear data. And after that, open your Insta app and log in into your account and check the problem is fixed or not. And the last method to fix this problem is we need to uninstall Instagram app and reinstall the app. So for that, open Play Store and search for Instagram and tap on uninstall, and after uninstalled tap on reinstall to install the app, and that's how we can fix the problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.